Oh, hi again. So we're pretty sure that you'll be super excited about all the bonuses, the value proposition and the actual product you get when you join us. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you actually make money as an affiliate with this business model. So we'll move straight away now to the laptop to tell you all about the compensation plan. See you right there. All right, so how do I make money? So let's dive into the compensation plan. So we know that each package sells for $97. A quick recap of what's included in this package. You get the Done For You website, the Done For You webinar. You get the weekly sales funnels. You get access to all the marketing material, which are the Done For You videos and PowerPoints. You also get the Clickfunnels training site, the Fast Track site, and access to all our complete software suite for all 7 pieces of software. Now remember, you get this, and this is also what you're reselling as an affiliate. So how much money do you make? You're going to make $92 of that $97. So $5 of the $97 goes to Easy1Up as an administration fee. So you sell a package for $97 and you're making $92. Your second sale, now this only happens once, but when you make your second sale, $30 of that second sale, so $30 of the $97 goes up to your sponsor. Now that is the one-up aspect of the Easy1Up compensation plan. There's more because you also have a Clickfunnels account, right? So a basic Clickfunnels account, this is how it works. You get a total of 20 funnels, 100 different pages. You're allowed to have 20,000 visitors. Of course, you have an unlimited number of leads. You can have 3 custom domains. You do not get access to Actionetics, which is basically the autoresponder piece of it, and no access to Backpack, but you won't need that. The number of billing option integrations is 1. So a basic Clickfunnels account, and that's all you need, costs $97 per month. That is your ongoing cost per month for this account. Now the good news is, because you are an affiliate to Clickfunnels as well, you actually make money. So how much money do you make? Well, let's walk you through that. The Clickfunnels affiliate program basically pays you 40% recurring for every person who joins you. So think about it this way. You sell a package to Susie for $97. You make $92 from Susie. On top of that, Susie gets her Clickfunnels account. You also make 40% of $97, so that means you now have a residual income component to your affiliate marketing business, which is a very powerful aspect. That means $38.80 you make off of every single person that joins you per month, so long as they maintain their Clickfunnels account. Now, on top of that, you are also going to get your dream car when you hit 100 active ClickFunnels members. Clickfunnels then pays you $500 per month to put towards any car of your dreams. Once you hit a 200 active members, Clickfunnels is going to give you $1,000 per month towards your dream car as well. So as any business owner, you're probably saying, well, what's my break even? Well, first off, you get a 14-day free trial when you sign up for Clickfunnels. When you think about it, once you've got 2.5 people or 2.5 clients, they basically pay for your Clickfunnels account from the affiliate commissions that you're making. So let's do some fun math here. So we know that in one day, if you sold 1 account a day, in other words, if you sold 1 package a day, so that's basically $92 for the program, $40 for Clickfunnels, I've rounded it up. That means you're making almost $4,000 a month just from signing up 1 account per day. So let your imagination go wild. 1 account per day is not a stretch goal. In fact, it's a very easily attainable goal. 2 a day is $8,000 or $100,000 per year. So that's how the compensation plan works for this program. You think about it, It's a great and it's very, very attainable, as we say. So look forward to seeing you on the next page.